Okay guys, kain na tayo ng mukbang noodles. Yan. Yan.
You know, how big is it?
It's nice.
I'll try a little bit.
Yeah. So yummy.
It's just noodles.
A little bit. Harap. Delicious guy. Can't stop any.
Mom, did you hear about Dad?
Huh?
Did you hear about Dad?
Yeah, why?
What do you mean, yeah, why?
You can go home because the helicopter is waiting.
Yeah, it's really sad. I miss Dad.
Can you shut the drawer, Mary? The cabinet there. Because it is too much less around here.
Hey, bro.
Delicious.
Right, go.
Ang sarap siya, guys. Mukbang noodle. Yummy. From pepper.
Now, I want to say
I'm getting
yeah,
fat.
because I don't want your mum to think bad of me. So I'm going to say yes, so. I don't want to, but.
The beef is very tender, yeah. Tender.
And now my mum's cooked some noodles and she's put them on the table and she's like, mukbang, and she's just eating them all. And there's like a pile. There's like a pile of noodles I can't eat. And there's like a 5-person serving it looks like. I can't eat.
And Mary, come on, Mary.
No!
What?
Because I'm not going to be in the mukbang. Whatever
No,
this
over
is.
there, they can see you there, Mary.
They can't see you then, maybe. Just hide.
Come on.
I'm naked anyway, mum.
They can see you there.
Yeah, sure.
It's so yummy, guys. So yummy.
And we go to the shop and I buy 2 cans of this stuff and some vegetables and all the stuff that I need to make it. Can I make you the best meal you'll ever have in your entire life?
Yes.
Beef, very,
It's
very
like
tender.
food. It is the best food in the
So-
world. It's the best thing. It's so easy to make when there is.
What is it?
Well, I can't tell you.
Why can't you tell me?
It's a type of risotto.
Ew.
And it's like really easy to make and it's so good.
Is it?
Yeah.
How
Can we
long?
make it?
How is the left now? Look,
Also,
so yummy.
Maddie, try it yours.
Huh?
Try it yours.
Mine? No.
Can you call me Andrew here, Mary?
No.
Stop. Can you stop it? Because it's so yummy. Only simple. Not so many ingredients, just beef with noodles stir fry. They call her chow mein, but I'm supposed to be you have put the burnt fruit, but my daughter doesn't want to bench proof, just only the plain. So here,
And Sarah said it like twice.
but no,
And then Sarah was like,
you can also top up the sibas, yeah. But you need to stir fry the sibas first, and then you can top up the. You mix the bean sprouts, spring onions, and sibas on the top side. Okay. I just check the chips. Oh, so full. It's nice, guys. Can't stop it. Mmm. It's nice. Press the spring onion. Don't cook too much. Just do a tiny bit press. It's nice, crunchy. And the beef is very tender, not chewing, because this is the beef is ram steak. So a ram steak is nice. They are tender soap, so I like it. So it's yummy. So I can't stop it. It's nice. So delicious. Mmm. Mmm. So mm. Mm. So guys, don't for subscribe, and thank you for watching.